Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making cube steak and onion gravy with a side of garlic potatoes. For the steak, you'll need 2 pounds of cube steak, 3 cups of beef broth, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. For the mashed potatoes, you'll need 3 pounds of gold potatoes, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. To season the steak, in a small bowl, add your salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Now mix until well combined. Using 1/4 of your seasoned mixture, season both sides of your steak. To a dish, add your flour and the remainder of your seasoning mixture, then mix until well combined. Now lightly coat your steaks in the seasoned flour, then place on a wire rack. Do not toss your remaining flour because we're going to use it to make our gravy. Add a tablespoon of canola oil to a pan, then using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now fry your steak for 4 minutes on both sides. After 8 minutes, remove the steaks from the pan, then set them aside until later. Now add another tablespoon of canola oil to your pan, then saute your onions for 4 minutes. Once the onion is translucent and golden, you can remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now melt your butter. Now sprinkle your seasoned flour, then mix to create a roux. Add the garlic and continue to mix until you reach a light simmer. Pour in the beef broth and whisk until well combined. Bring your liquid to a light simmer, then return the onion and steak to the pan, cover, and allow it to cook for 1 hour. While the steaks are cooking, I'll show you how to make the mashed potatoes. Add your potatoes to a large pot of water and allow them to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove them from the heat, then rinse them with cold water. Now mash your potatoes. Add the butter and cheese and mix well. Now add the garlic and heavy cream and continue to mix. Now season with the salt, pepper, onion powder, and parsley flakes. Mix well, then set it aside until later. After 1 hour, your steak is ready. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see me make next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Share with you the foods that I love to make.